So hi guys, how are we doing? I have not vlogged in such a long time. I've been busy and also I'm not really happy about my quality, so that's like the major reason why I've not vlogged. I don't know if you can hear me clearly. At the moment I am working. This is my life every Saturday. Work, photography, videography. Today I kind of started off my day at a place in Magodo, the language hub, where I take pictures for them. They're like children. I'll put clips, so that's where I started off my day, taking pictures. Today's class was more of etiquette.
You see, one of the table manners is don't put your hand on the table. What is this?
Nice.
What is this? Good. Show me your left hand side. Oh. It depends on where you are staying anyway. Now that you are facing me. Show me your left hand side. Show me your right hand side. Because you are next here. Place your knife on your right hand side. The other way around.
Hey, Mama, she has come.
Mama, this is your food. Your food is here. There's rice here, jollof rice, chicken, salad. What else do you like? What else do you like? Mention it. Imagine that it's there. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's there, right? Good. This is our chicken. You want to cut chicken, eh? You want to eat, have you? You like chicken, eh? Oh, God. Let's cut our chicken.
I call it a chicken.
What's your chicken? You want to eat? You want to eat? Delicious, right? That chicken was delicious. I didn't eat it, but I could feel it.
At the moment I am at the Future of Work. They do more data analysis training. I don't know why I look very distinct. They do data analysis training and they teach professionals data analysis, and I'm here taking pictures. I'll put clips. I've worked with them in the past. I worked on videos, testimonial videos from their last training, and it was really interesting. My sister is coming. Olapo is coming. And Deji is coming as well. What else have I been doing? Koide. So this is Deji. Deji, come and enter my video, please. I'm not paying you now. But I'm not making money, am I? I'm vlogging now. I want to vlog. You know I've not vlogged in a long time. So my sister is here. She just got here actually. She just want to play catch up. Say hello.
Hi.
They said the man was there.
No, the man did not come again. He's doing shakara for me now.
When I picked your phone.
Deji. So really that's just about it. I've just been doing photography work, videography work. My phone camera is not looking as bad as I remember it to be, so I might do more vlogs. I might do more vlogs. My face is shiny. It looks shiny to me in the camera. People that record themselves on their DSLR, how do they do? Like I'm resting my hand on the railing stone, like just like yo. The quality is sharp. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. The quality is sharp and everything, but then again, like this camera is heavy. Why don't just get like a mirrorless camera or something? So won't take more pictures. Hopefully Yola can get nice pictures of me this time. And it's already paining me. I can't do this. I try to have like a mini session, photo session, like you know those Instagram models, and I'm like, how are they doing? Nothing is working out. We took almost 30 pictures, if not more. Someone is coming. Let's go. Are they coming this way? They're coming with a glass. Like nothing worked. All the pictures just look terrible. Instagram models, teach me. How do you do it? I'm about to wrap up the vlog. I'm done for the day. Diola and I are going, so that's pretty much it. Work is done. It's about 4 p.m. ish. I don't even know where Deji is, but that's Deji in front. We're at Jibo. It's Christmas. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Ah, Deji power for me.
Gonna swing from the chandelier.